crazy cuties, welcome to my channel. My name is Ash. I'm new here. I'm a culture freak, ME who loves to play with makeup. You've been here before, welcome back. Today's video, we're actually going to try a new brand, also a new eyeshadow. For me, I got this from Ipsy. It was really good at price for it. I paid, I think, $18 for it on Ipsy because originally it's like $35. So, you know me with great deals, me trying new products, I like to find good deals and also spend less money than I need to. But yes, so the brand I'm talking about is Rachel Couture, and I got the Matte All About You eyeshadow palette. This is all matte. This is all it is. It's a very neutral to warm to cool to, you know, all of these. It's just a very beautiful color. It's also vegan too, so if you're cruelty free and vegan, I think this would work for you. So like I said, this is my first time of trying out Rachel Couture. I don't do swatches. Swatches is just something I just don't do. If it's like monochromatic, metallic or duochromic or multichromic eyeshadows, I will swatch them to see how they look. But like mattes and shimmers and all of that, I just don't do that. That's just me. But let's get started. I am thinking it's gonna go to browns a little bit because I just want to play it safe today. I don't know. So I'm gonna do one eye. I'm using NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk, the OG of eyeshadow primers or eyeshadow bases. One of my favorites, all-time favorites. I am looking for new eyeshadow bases, and I'm going to try out some more because, you know, yeah, I like using this for like if I'm using bright colors, but I don't have an eyeshadow primer that I really like in my collection. I do have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus one, and I don't like that one. I really despise that eyeshadow primer to everything because I've tried it with every eyeshadow and it's like, nope. I don't know why. It's too dry and it's it's hard to blend out the shades really good. And I like really cream eyeshadow bases more than anything. Like I don't mind them being dried down or anything like that, but I always put a top of cream or anything like that. These do have some shades that will help me to blend out the colors and just work with it. So these do not have names or anything like that. Okay, we're gonna use this shade right here. Not really much kickback unless you really go into it. It's not bad. I don't know what way I'm gonna go for it or not. I don't know, but we're just gonna go for it. We're just gonna go right here. It's very pigmented. Whoa, I like that. Very pigmented, really beautiful. I like that. So I'm gonna go with a clean brush. This is the Profusion one, and this is a very soft color. I like this brown. I'm gonna use this shade right here just to blend out, and I really do like this. We're gonna use this shade right here. I'm just gonna use maybe 2 or 3 shades out of this, just because I'm just seeing how this one I'm just going for, and this one is really simple. Ballistic, I guess. I don't know. Whoa, I like this shade. Whoa, I like it how it's just effortlessly. It's just pigmented and also just easy just to work with. I love the effortlessly working, and it blends really beautiful. And I already sorry for about to lose my voice. It's just like, whoa. For fun of it, going out of my comfort zone here with colors. I'm gonna use this shade right here. has a little kickback to it, but it's just fine. But not even much, I don't see much fallout on the eyes, which is, this is nice. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. I'm glad I got this eyeshadow palette. Now I want the other one they have out for, I really like this one. I'm going to put my mascara on. This is the e.l.f. Volumizing Mascara. I don't wear false lashes very often. I'm going to finish up the look and everything and give you the finished look and tell you what I really do think about this with this other eye. So I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. Went all matte. I don't have no highlighter, nothing. And I actually really like this. I did pair up two lip products together. Of course, all the products I've used in this video and also on my face will be down below. I'm very excited. This is like an all matte. This is like something I would wear as a date night. Yeah, I would wear it as a date night makeup look. Good for fall. In my head, it's like going the opposite of seasons. Like we're going to spring, which is spring right now, but I'm doing a fall look. Meh, I don't care. I'm just having fun with makeup. That's all that matters to me. But back to where we came for is the review of this Rachel Couture matte Batchu eyeshadow palette. Tell you the truth, I really do like this. I like the formula, especially the shades that I use. I'm very excited to try out more of the mauvey, the pinky tones. I think that's going to be tomorrow's look anyway. But this is such a beautiful, beautiful palette. I'm excited. I am going to play with this even more and just see what I can come up with. And I might just do a whole get rid with me video, like the whole entire full face look that you're gonna see, because I haven't done a full face get rid with me video in quite some time. I think I need to get back into it, but I really, really do like this palette. I'm glad I finally got this. I was looking at it on Ipsy for a while, and I didn't know if I really want to get it or not. But I said, you know what? I want to try out some more products. I want to try out some new brands. Some products might be new for me, but old releases, I don't care unless it's a really good deal. I'm about saving money. But if you really want to try this product out, I will put the website down where you can get this palette from for itself, the Rachel Couture Cosmetics Company. If you want to try out a vegan, cruelty-free brand, I think this is work for you. But I really do like this formula. I really like how it was really easy to put on and blend and still have this a beautiful, beautiful look. Like it was effortlessly done. Like, yes, if you like mattes, go for it. If you like these kind of shadows, go for it. Yeah, this is Rachel Couture palette, cosmetics, vegan and cruelty free. Just because it's vegan doesn't always mean cruelty free. Cruelty free just means no animal testing, but that's here and there. But I'm always want to try out new products, and I think that is, I'm definitely going to get the other one and try out more of this brand. If I can find it cheaper, I'm going to get it. If I can't find it cheaper, there might be sales on the website itself, I'm going to get it. But yes, so yeah, if you want to see more looks and also new brands, make sure you hit the like button so I know you want to see more videos like this. If you want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're drama free and judgment free here. We welcome everybody here. And of course, make sure the notification bell so you'll be notified of any new videos I upload. I do go live every Monday and Wednesdays at 12 p.m. Eastern time, and on Fridays at 9 p.m. with my friend Mountain Witch Christine. I'm very excited to try, like I said, I'm very excited to play with this makeup palette again and again and again and again and again, because it's a beautiful palette. Like the formulas, to me, is a 5 out of 5. And yeah, so I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye.